he put $1,000 right there.
Right. He just burnt money.
That's big gunning. That's
That was
Oh, they're all going sequence.
This is an hour long. It looks like there's black things at the bottom.
That's so cool.
Yeah, where's your fire?
You know how confusing that would be with the buttons and all that crap?
They should
They have a
last year,
control
you couldn't
panel.
even see them because of the fan or because of smoke.
Oh. This would win for sure. I know, look at all that smoke.
I know, they need to get like fans. Last year we were
I know,
over
like-
there
like
and we
right there.
couldn't even see it at all. Like, you think there's a lot of smoke? Oh my god, they're like coming at us.
Just like last year. Last year that came at us too.
Oh, look at that. You can smell them.
I can't take it.
Look at all the smoke.
Jack's like, I love to smell fireworks.
You're just waiting like nervously when you see that pellet go in the
Oh,
air.
I know, you're like,
You're like, when is it gonna fire? Come on.
ew, the smoke is coming.
Look, you can't see jack crap.
I can't wait to get up and smell fireworks. Here comes, right? Here comes the big one. That scared me.
Whoa.
That scared me.
Oh.
Look at that.
That was funny. Not what I expected.
I thought it was gonna be huge. It took like 3
Nope, this says.
Whoa.
What if it was like it exploded?
Whoa, look it.
Woo!
It explodes before you can even hear it.
What if right when it goes off and then it gets up there and it's like, like a,
You don't even
And look,
hear
it breaks the sound barrier.
I know, you don't even hear it. Smoke's getting
Look, it breaks the sound barrier. Watch. See it? It lights off like a
You don't
millisecond
feel it
after.
when it
Oh,
goes-
look at all that smoke.
I know, it's on
Hear
our
that? Look at the line.
fans.
Fireworks are sweet.
These are the ones from Ohio.
Yeah, these are the ones from Ohio.
How do you know?
Oh, look at ashes are coming down. Cause no, there was ashes coming down.
These are the ones you
are
see
really
at.
pretty.
These are the ones you see at like football games and
Yeah.
stuff.
They're like